Bring unprecedented mobility and versatility to your shop. Introducing the Grizzly T34606 planer and miter saw stand with extension rollers. Designed with a heavy-duty metal construction, this stand supports up to 220 pounds, giving you the rock-solid base your tools deserve with the space to work comfortably. This stand was engineered to accommodate most miter saw and planer brands. Unlike MDF alternatives, the metal top has universal mounting slots, making it easy to mount your benchtop machine without having to drill any holes. With adjustable rollers that extend out to 65 inches, you'll get smooth in-feed and out-feed support. Perfect for cutting or planing longer stock safely. The foot-activated swivel caster gives instant mobility to optimize your space and workflow around your entire shop. Also included is an onboard storage shelf to keep essential tools and accessories close by. It's not just a stand. It's your workshop on wheels. Work smarter and faster with the Grizzly T34606 planer and miter saw stand with extension rollers. Visit grizzly.com to learn more and to get yours today.